Hello guys. Today we learn more about mail merge. What exactly is mail merge? Mail merge is a feature in word processing and spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Word and Excel, that allows you to automate the process of creating personalized documents, such as letters, emails, labels, or envelopes. It works by combining a main document, like a letter template, with a data source, like an Excel spreadsheet with names and addresses. This way, you can generate multiple personalized copies of the document without manually changing the details for each recipient. When doing mail merge, we need to have at least two documents, the Excel database as well as the letter we want personalized for each recipient. I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to do mail merge. Please pay attention. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is still our database. So to do what I'm doing here, left-click and hold to grad. When dragging to the left it shrink the cells on that column. Okay, so this is what we do here. This is our database. Right, are about to start doing our mail merge, we need to make sure that the database is saved and closed. It is advisable that it remains closed. Now we are about to start working on our letter, from which the letters will be produced. Don't forget, database must be saved at all times in order so that we don't get incorrect data on our letters. Alright, then we go to our letter now. Let's go to our letter. In this case, for this tutorial this is my letter. Okay, then we're going to start with our mail merge. The first thing you see there are options on top here, and we are only interested in the mailings. Alright, then we click on Start Mail Merge under Mailings, and then there are other options. But we will then choose and click on Start Mail Merge. You will see options such as envelopes, labels, stats. You will click on Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. After that, you will move your eyes to the newly appearing options on the middle right-hand side. Mail Merge. So you're going to start to see this option. This option's letter, email, envelope, labels, directory, on step-by-step. I suggest you focus more on step-by-step. You will choose you type of letter you are writing. It's a letter or email message or directory, etc. In our case we click on letters because it's letters we are writing. Notice that these options appeared before we clicked on the step-by-step Mail Merge Wizard. We then click Next, then check or click on Use the current document, then click Next. On the upper part click an existing list, and then below click Browser. Here it's important to always remember where you saved your database as well as the name of the saved database. Let's fetch our database. Click OK when you find it. You will be asked to confirm the sheet on which you save your database. Then click OK. You will notice the list of recipients as they appear on the Excel database. If you decide to exclude some of the you will simply uncheck them on the list. Now this is a list of all the people, all your recipients. So it's up to you to choose those you want excluded or not. For example, our first one is Mr. West. If for some reason you decide to exclude Mr. West, this is how we do, and then we want to exclude Mr. Davis. We simply uncheck them. For our example, don't intend to exclude any recipient. We simply ensure all recipients are checked. Alright, then we say OK. Below you can see there are other options which are rarely used like sort, filter, find duplicates, etc. Click OK after. Next it to the MS Word where to populate what and where in our letter. We firstly go to Insert Merge field on top of our screen again under Mailings. You can see all the headings on our database appear here because it reads from the database. Place a cursor when you want to insert a field. Okay, let's demonstrate. This how we will insert a title, this is how we will insert names, this is how we will insert surnames, this is how we will insert grades, this is how we will insert January and February figures due, amount received for January. You can as well insert the amount received in February. We will insert the variance amount as well. Notice that you still follow the same procedure to fill all fields. Make sure you insert once, otherwise the word will be inserted more than once, something you don't want. To insert what's due in January, amount due in January. Then we go and check for amount due in February. Right, then we say date of receipt, a date we received money, or the date in which we got paid for January, and then we check the same for February, date received in February, amount received in January, amount received in January, amount received in February. Let's go and check. So it's important to always tell the computer where to put stuff, and it's important not to, and then we come here. We want to insert our variance, right? If perhaps you forgot to type or simply want to add your words into the letter, you can easily do so. Let me show you how. Let's add whatever information you want. For example, you can even write your phone number here. Write your phone number if you want to. It's not a requirement, but if you want to, then this is our phone number, right? And then, ladies and gentlemen, we are effectively done with our letters, and then we're going to write our letters and then preview our letters. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we do mail merge. This is how we preview. Please guys to pay attention. Now you can see this is the first recipient, Mr. West. We decide to exclude some recipients. We can uncheck here to exclude the recipients, but in our case we don't want to exclude any recipient, so we can go ahead and check the box next to their names. So if you notice here, if I go, it will click top, go to record number 2, record number 3, this is record number 3, record 4, and so on. So you must notice as I'm clicking there, even the document, the details here keep changing. Okay guys, I want you to pay some attention. Elvis. Okay, then we'll move on like that. Okay, we've got 6 now. Our letter is effectively completed now. Still on top of the page, we click Finish and Merge. We will see 2 options. Option number 1 is for printing. If you choose to print, if you want to print all the records, the current record only, or you want to record certain records, not others. That's what you will do if you see I want to record from 1 to 2 o'clock. 2 to 3, and that's what you do, and then you click OK, then it starts. So if you choose to edit you all letters or some letters, you can simply do it. There are options as well, such edit the current document, all documents. You choose an option in line with what you want to achieve, whatever it is you want to do, and then click OK. You're urged to watch this tutorial a few times and attempt this example exercise before attempting your other exercises. So basically this is how you do your mail merge on MS Word and MS Excel. You effectively are completely done doing the mail merge. Don't forget to do this exercise a few times until you gain confidence. After that you can attempt other exercises. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons. Share this with someone you like, maybe it's a friend or colleague. That's it for today. I will see you guys on our next video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Cheers.